Now, gorgeous gems, I'm at the final step. I am about to sweep out the bathroom and I'm gonna show you how I do my floor. Like they said, you gotta fight through the pain. Whew. Yes, I'm in some serious pain right now. Okay, gorgeous gems, I'm at the final stress now. I'm gonna take these two rags that I got in my collection and I'm gonna put it in the water I just catch, and then I'm gonna pour some of this Mr. Clean in the bucket. I was gonna throw some Awesome too, but today I don't want to mix two chemicals because I'm always doing that and then I end up getting sick right after. Okay, so I'm just gonna do Mr. Clean today. And this is how I do my bathroom floor. Okay, gorgeous gems, I completely finished cleaning the bathroom now, and I'm gonna ask my son to put back in the tables, and then I'm gonna start decorating. Now this closet is like, I'm not in the mood to do this right now, so this is what it's looking like. And in this bag over here is all the rags, wash rags that I used, and then I put them there to clean the bathroom because I do change my rags like almost once a week. Okay, and then these are all the supplies that I do use. Okay, I just have a very small closet in here. So I got 3 rods here, so I'm going to use these to start my new decor. Okay, my son is bringing back in the tables, and I'm about to wipe them down. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a video getting stuff together, and this just fell off. One of the knob piece just fell off, so I'm gonna have to put it back on in a minute.